Hey, welcome everyone to unboxing the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. So this is a premium quality headphones from Bose, these 700s, and some features they list on the box. Pretty simple stuff, like just in terms of audio quality and voice assistance that it's compatible with, but there are a couple actually built into it as well, which is pretty neat. So not that I won't have trouble with it because most devices are Android or iOS powered. But anyway, continue with the unboxing. So inside the box is a hard Traveler'S case, thankfully. As you would expect, these are pretty expensive headphones. So protect your very expensive piece of equipment. Get that out of the way. And there they are inside. And this is like one of the most unique looking headphones I've seen. Not good, not bad, they just look unique. Looks like there's not much controls, so I guess most of it is going to be touch-based, as I've read some documentation. And actually, there's some documentation right there underneath. Kickstart guide basically stating like, hey, this is a touch panel, and here's how you play pause music and hang up and answer calls. Also included is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which looks rather small, and a auxiliary cable, because there's a headphone jack on the headphones themselves. And continuing on with the unboxing, there's some documentation, looks really thick. So quick start guide in multiple languages, and safety and warranty information, also multiple languages, which explains why the documentation is so thick. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to see a review of the headphones, you can find a link to my review in the video description, as well as a link to my social media links and my website link also in the video description. And that's pretty much a wrap. So be sure to hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.